Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm market analyst Nick Nassad. Today is Wednesday, December 24th, 2008. Confidence among Japanese large manufacturers fell the most on record in the fourth quarter as exports collapsed amid a deepening global recession. The BSI Sentiment Index fell to negative 44.5 this quarter compared with negative 10 in the third quarter. Exports were down 26.7% on the year in November as demand from the US, Europe, and even China plummeted, and Japanese companies and households also cut back sharply on spending. The yen was generally lower today, with the New Zealand dollar climbing higher in a continuation of ranging conditions seen the last four sessions. The pair set an intraday low near 51.20 overnight, rallied at the beginning of the European session, and kept those gains in New York trading. The Swiss franc continues its gains against its main rivals and had a strong move versus the pound today in otherwise light trading. The pound-franc pair broke below support at 160 in a down move that spanned 270 pips. The pound is being pressured by interest rate expectations, while the franc is benefiting from safe haven flows. In the U.S., jobless claims rose by 30,000 to 586,000 for the week ending December 20th. That figure was far above expectations, the highest level since November 1982, and continues to show a worsening situation in the U.S. labor market. U.S. consumer spending fell 0.6% in November, which was a smaller than expected decline. It was the fifth straight month that spending was negative. Personal incomes dropped 0.2%, while personal saving as a percentage of disposable personal income was up 2.8% in November, up from 2.4% in October. The saving rate is increasing the past few months as the economy deteriorates and more people put away money for a rainy day, which for many is a pink slip. Demand for long-lasting goods fell 1% in November, mainly as a result of a decline in the transportation sector. The result was better than expected, but follows a downwardly revised 8.4% decrease in October. Orders in the transportation sector decreased 7.4%, following a plunge of 12.7% in October. On the bright note, a key barometer of business equipment spending, orders for non-defense capital goods excluding aircraft, rose by 4.7% after decreasing 6.6% in October. The dollar-yen pair, which had been gaining in a rally the past four sessions, stalled around the 91 level and fell back down to test support at 90.25. The dollar managed another weak rally in New York trading as stocks rose in the U.S. Following the close of U.S. equity markets early today, the pair gave up some of those later gains. Tonight, Japan will post its meeting minutes, corporate service price index, and housing starts. Tomorrow evening, Japan will release data on manufacturing, household spending, consumer prices, unemployment, industrial production, and retail sales. And that wraps up our broadcast. We will be back on Monday as we are taking a break for the holidays. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com, and we wish you and yours a very happy holiday season.